before it restarts. You're going to walk forward, right, left, right, kick your left, step back on your left, point your right, step forward on your right, point your left. Section 2, jazz box with a toe strut, cross, back, toe strut, cross, rock, side touch, cross, rock, side touch. Section 3, straight into section 4, you've got a side drag rock, back, recover, side drag rock, back, recover, vine, quarter, turn, straight into section 4, rock, recover, step back, back, rock, recover, and 2 toe struts forward, toe strut. Let's just go over that with the count. So walking forwards, 1, 2, 3, kick 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, jazz 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, touch 8, drag 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.